Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and it's week number 8, the week in review for week number 8. Whew. 8 weeks is a long time to have a video every day, and I've done it. So, we are going to start off with Monday. Monday is it was kind of an odd little doll. It was the one last time for this little mama bear, and it had a baby bear with it and this and that. It was really kind of a surreal kind of video. So anyways, that was the one last time with the mama bear doll. Now on Tuesday we decided to do how to create your puppet from a mama bear doll toy. So we did how to create an upcycle puppet, or how to create a puppet the hard way using that doll. That was Tuesday. Now Wednesday, we had a special treat. Wednesday, I went to a conference, and it was a children and family entertainer conference in Washington, D.C. It was a Kapital Kidvention, and there were all sorts of magicians and face painters and balloon artists, and oh my goodness, there was tons of stuff there. So that was the video on an overview of what took place at Kapital Convention this year. Now, I decided to take the video and make it a little shorter by trimming down the magic show. There was a nighttime magic show that was a kind of a pro-am. There are professionals, but it was not like a gala show. It was the gentlemen and ladies who perform for different people and this and that. They came and did a little showcase type of thing. It was a lot of fun. So that was on Thursday. Now Friday, there was a monkey that played Johnny Be Good or something like that. And so it was Monkey Be Good. We had the one last show for that one. And on that was Friday. On Saturday, we did, it was a little bird with a flower. It was a one last time for the bird with a flower. So it was a lot of fun. We had a great week. Now, just want to let you know, as we go on in the next couple weeks, we're going to do some more of the trip to the Kapital Kidvention. We're going to do more of the one last times. We're going to do more of how to take the animated toys and create puppets. We've got some really kind of fun ones there. So those are the things we're going to be doing in the future. Now, I keep asking for advice or requests or what have you for future episodes. Now, that's going to be up to you. Now, I've got a lot of little Elmos here. I've got the this one here I'm working on as I get into taking an actual stuffed animal and making a puppet out of it. I'll be doing some of that. Right now I've got a whole mess. I mean, like volumes of characters and things like that. Big boxes. I've got a whole tub right here that we're working on. So these are all of the things that you're going to be seeing in the future. Hopefully you're having fun with them. We'll have to see how that goes as the time works along. Okay. So, but that's it. Tell me what you want, what you really, really want. No, I actually did go there. So anyways, thank you very much for coming back and seeing me. For those of you who've been with us before, for those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe for future updates. And I want to thank you very much for coming. This is the DIY Magician. Till next time.